Alright, so this is my third time trying to do this video. So because I'm just learning how to do a video on screen um with a screenshot or whatever. But anyways, this is a Windows 8 consumer preview um overview. If I'll start This is the start screen. There's no longer the little button down there in the bottom left corner. So this is it. To scroll through, you can just move your mouse side to side. This is the only time you can really do that in any of the apps. The store app, for example, you just scroll up and down and it moves side to side. If you try to go side to side, it's not going to move. The store is pretty well stocked, but it doesn't have everything yet. I believe they're waiting until they release the full version to put more apps in. Obviously, developers already are developing apps for it though, so getting stuff ready for the Windows 8 experience, if you will. You just go down there, click start, and it'll pull you back to that. If you click down there from the start screen, it'll just take you back to the last app you were in. If you were to click in and out of the left the top left corner, it actually takes you it just rotates you through all of your programs that you have open, and you can easily close them just by right click and close, and it'll close it. So I'll show you the Photos app. It actually goes through your pictures library, your Facebook, any pictures you have on SkyDrive or Flickr. You just click back down there, and once again, gets you back to the start screen. Um, and the photos, this is the Photos hub right here. The Photos hub rotates through. It's a live tile, so it rotates through your pictures and shows you, just for eye candy mostly. But this is your People hub. In your People hub, you can view all of your people in different accounts. I think it's connected to LinkedIn and MySpace, whoever uses that anymore. But um, but anyways, I have my Twitter, my Facebook, and my Windows Live all connected right here. And so, Custers is a guy I work with, um, and then Windows Phone is somebody I follow on Twitter. Now, if I was following them on Facebook as well, it would rotate through their Facebook posts as well, instead not just their Twitter. So that's really cool. You got your me, um, and you can go through and look at all your stuff and your latest posts and whatever. So that's the People hub. You've got messaging, and you can message people that are connected to you either through Windows Live or through Facebook. In here, I'll show you the right click brings up options bar down here, and so you can update your status, or in the different hubs, they all have their own options down here. One of the big ones, especially while you're in beta, is to provide feedback. You can provide feedback to Microsoft so they can get it ready more for the full release. You can delete stuff and whatever. Um, Now I'll show you the charms. At any time, you just swipe down from the top right or from the bottom right, and swipe up, and you pull up the charms. It'll show you the clock you see there on the left, and the date and whatever. Click into settings, especially if you're downloading it for the first time. Click into more settings and come down to Windows Update. Check for updates. There's 5 updates as of right now, um, that you'll have to download immediately, like as soon as you download Windows 8. Personalize, you can set your lock screen. On your lock screen, it'll also have um, notifications of new emails, messages, and calendar events, and whatever else you want to add to it. You see right here. You set your user. You can set it up as a local account, your regular, just, this is who I am on this computer, or you can connect it to your live account. Um, For sign-in options, they've included the picture password, so you click 3 spots on the picture and that'll unlock it, or you can set up a PIN, a 4-digit PIN, or you can set up all of them and use whichever one you want. If you have an HP laptop like I do with the fingerprint scanner, the fingerprint scanner does still work. Notifications, that's actually on the tile, not on the start screen or the lock screen. This is the tiles. It'll give you your notifications. Search is charm, and when you start searching, it'll look through the charms for what you're looking for, or not the charms, the programs. So, for instance, if I was looking for a movie, it might pull up um, the trailer in Vimeo, and it'll show me the video in the Zune store. The video hub and the music hub. Those are just basically Zune integration. Down here, you'll see the sync your settings, and that sets it up to where if your computer crashes or you have multiple machines, you get a new one, whatever, you can set it up and it will actually sync all of your settings onto your new machine. Going back in, I'll show you. You can right click in here and you can go to all apps, and you can right click and you can pin it to your taskbar or pin it to the start screen. It won't open it up and all of a sudden convert it to a Windows 8 look and feel. It'll for instance, Adobe Reader, that's a regular Windows 7 program. So if I were to open it, it'll just open it in the Windows 7 desktop, but you can pin it to the start screen. Now, if you want, what I did is I actually did that with the Microsoft Word, and so it'll open it up. You see it took me to the Windows 7 looking desktop, but I have it on my Windows 8 Metro screen. If you want with certain apps, let's see if I can get this right, you can actually make it smaller or make it larger. It only has the 2 sizes, but it's not with all apps, as you see right here, with the Windows or the Internet Explorer app. The Internet Explorer app, it's really cool because it has the bar down here, which you would think wouldn't be that big a deal or it might be annoying, but I feel it actually gets it out of the way because you're naturally not looking down towards this area of the screen anyways. You're kind of looking up here, so having it down there actually gets it out of the way of your screen. And most things won't run in Internet Explorer 10 yet. A lot of things will, your basic articles and stuff, but for the most part, if you want to watch videos or anything like that, it's not really going to run in Internet Explorer 10. It's up to web developers to get stuff ready for that. Don't know if I've showed this yet, but the weather app, it gives kind of a basic 6-day forecast right here using Bing Weather. Bing really has it going on. So you got the Bing Weather app, you got your hourly thing going on right there, and then you've got you see. From in there, you also see you can set it up. Here's another options bar. Rather than having it down at the bottom of the screen, they put it up here. And like I said, you can pull it up right there. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you have any questions or need any help doing anything, you can just leave a comment, leave a question, and I'll try to get back to you. All right.